You sure?
You have to put it,
Okay, go ahead, John.
screw it on really tight.
Oh, jeez. Cover your teeth.
Wait a minute,
Oh,
wait a
go at the
minute.
bottom.
Sometimes it did that, it popped a little bit.
Oh, no.
Why isn't mine?
I think there's not
Look at all the
enough.
people that,
I think it's a
like,
little
ready to,
hole,
like,
shoot a hole in the bottom.
everyone with their phones looks like we're ready to, like, freaking, like.
Yeah, the trouble is, that's what happened this morning, so, oh, it's a dud, you know, and then just next thing you know, it went kapow. So I don't know.
Let's see.
This may be like a bomb. Oh,
I don't think so. I think I saw it running out the bottom. I think there's a hole.
you think there's a hole in the bottom?
Yeah.
Well, we'll give it a while. Like I say, I thought a couple of times, you know, it like tipped over and said, oh, that one's a dud. And fortunately, I
it's
didn't
a
go over
dud.
and try and pick it up because then it went off. I mean, it
It's a
really
dud.
exploded.
All,
You can see
it's gone.
It's gone?
See how it's blown up, but I think it's gone. Yeah, I can see the dried up.
God.
Want me to open it?
See how it just, like, went on the table and, like.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
there's frozen water.
Yeah, the frozen water that was in there.
Oh!
See what I did?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I felt
Again, I
Me
turned
too.
mine
I
off.
really got hurt.
I felt something barely miss me.
I wouldn't have even known if you were here.